Hey guys, Glummery Online. How are you? It's Thursday. We are all getting better. And no, we don't have coronavirus, but this video is about 3 easy ways to make money by helping people that are stuck at home from their jobs, not being able to go to work, and maybe they're losing money. And these are simple ways that you can show people how to make money while this coronavirus thing is happening. Now, this is I'm in Canada. We had both SARS like 20 years ago, I think it was, and now coronavirus. And it seems like this is twice in the last 20 years. And in my lifetime, it's like that seems like a lot. So, there's more and more people are worried about this stuff. So being able to work from home, or maybe having a side gig that maybe your main job is going to slow you down because of this thing, especially if you're in airline industry or tourism, you need another gig, right? And while maybe you don't want to go out and get a whole another job that is dependent, because when your job comes back, you want to go back to it if you love it. It's a great time to make a good passive income or set up some passive income streams. And for you as an affiliate marketer or a network marketer, this is a great time to go start talking to these people and saying, hey, have you got a plan B? So if you like videos about making money and how to make more money online and little tricks and tips on how to do that, well, definitely hit the subscribe button and hit the notification, and then you'll be told every time I do a video. Oh, I think my sound levels are hot there. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 simple ways to make money online. The first one, it depends on what you want to do, right? You have to think of what do you like to do, right? Do you like to talk to people, or do you like to kind of like not talk to people and sit behind the scenes and sort of thing? And what I mean by talk to people, that can be chatting, or that can be picking up the phone and actually talking to them. Now, there's different models, but the main model I'm going to talk about is actually affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, here, let me turn this down because it looks like it's getting a little hot. Affiliate marketing is really cool because there's so many cool projects that are out there and different programs that you can do to make a lot of money online. I'm sorry, guys, my sound level seems to be really loud. So I'm going to check this video afterwards. Hopefully it's not too bad. Maybe I'm up close. Anyways. So affiliate marketing is basically this. You find a product that you like and you go tell someone about that product. Now, if someone buys that product, then basically you get paid a commission. Now, the easiest one to do is Amazon, especially if you're really familiar with Amazon and you like shopping. You'll see now, I think if you apply for, it's called Amazon Associates. As opposed to Amazon affiliates, I don't know why, but at the top of your Amazon bar, when you log in, you'll be able to create a little Amazon store and sell stuff right from when you're logging in. So you'd be able to refer something to someone right there. So that's the easiest way. Now, the problem with Amazon is that there's so many people referring cookies and there's so many ads, and the volumes are really small. Like if you sell something like $100. You only get about $4 to $7, right? 7 at the very top end. Now, if you're selling a lot, that's great, but you probably are, and also Amazon likes to upsell people, like, hey, people that bought this, buy this, right? But generally, you're not going to make a ton of money on Amazon unless you really get hardcore into it and turn it into a full-time job, or do drop shipping or that kind of thing. So while you can do that, I recommend digital products. I recommend selling information products, especially subscription-based membership sites that sell information. Now, I'm going to put a link below. This is something that is so easy, and what's great about this information product, that it's going to give you amazing ongoing education about marketing. It's where I learn so much stuff. I'm learning all the time, but it also has a very, very good affiliate marketing program, so you get paid very well as an affiliate of it. Now, what's really cool about it is it actually gives people, like, this is perfect. Like, let's say someone that's just got laid off from the airline, right? And they're like, what am I going to do? Well, you could say, hey, why don't you take this 15-day business challenge and see if this is for you? Because you can take this and then take it and apply it to any online business, right? Why don't you look at this? Because maybe while you're waiting for the airline industry job to come back, you can be making some money on the side with just your laptop and the internet, right? So if you're that person, then definitely click the link below. Now, that's my number one. Like, this is the best way to do it. Number 2 is to actually go out and start making little websites for people, right? So basically, and when I say making little websites for someone, you're just the person that refers someone to build it. You don't actually build it. And there's so many cool programs out there. There's actually one that we use where we can actually just click a button and it builds a website for us, and all the information's already there. We just pick which niche it is, and then we basically show people. So that's another great one to get to sell to people, because they're going to be needing a website in order to build a business, right? They're going to be like, if someone's at home, like, oh man, we could do our business online, but we could be doing our booking, we could be doing all this stuff online, but instead we didn't go that path. So we need to actually do that so we can reach more people instead of going through our storefront. So that kind of thing. So that's number 2, just building, getting people building websites or doing their social media for them or anything like that. It just takes a little bit of knowledge, guys. This stuff, what's crazy, what people don't understand is that the online marketing stuff, it's not difficult, right? It's not a difficult thing. It's just having a little bit of knowledge. The problem is that people that are working a regular job or regular work, they want to do their regular work. They don't want to have to learn a second skill set, which is the online marketing stuff, right? They'd rather just pay someone, and it's very inexpensive to pay someone rather than, okay, I'm going to work where I usually work 40 hours a week on my job. I'm going to work 40 hours a week, plus I'm going to add 10 hours of digital marketing, online marketing, social media, whatever it is, right? I'm going to add that on. It's like, no, people don't want to do that. They don't. They'd rather just pay someone to do that. So this is a great time to be part of that, and you can help teams and all that kind of stuff. So that's number 2. The number 3 way, I think, is a great way to make money online, basically during this coronavirus outbreak, or any time when the economy basically gets bumpy, right? When we're going to hit a big recession soon, guys. It happens. I always think, oh no, it'll go on forever. No, a recession's coming. It's been boom for so long, and it's always boom or bust, right? So it's coming. It's just, I don't know when. This is probably a catalyst to happen, and it happens. One thing that people always need, and this is how you can do it, is you build these little tiny micro websites that basically refer people to services, emergency services that people need. And what I mean by that, I mean like locksmith, emergency dental, people looking for towing, people looking for roofers, contractors, all these kind of things. And what you do is you go to a place called Offer Vault, and there's companies that actually collect leads and sell them to those types of businesses. And what you do is you collect leads. You're like, well, Glenn, I don't know how to do that. Aha. You can. It's very easy. Actually, I'm going to put a training down below. It's called the Bulletproof Method. I think it's like $20 or something to buy it. But go check it out. Now, what this teaches you is how to set up these little websites. And when someone, like, let's say they're broken down on the freeway and they go towing New Westminster, well, you create the site. So when your site comes up, there's a phone number there. They click that phone number. They call it like, hey, I'm stuck on the bridge. I need towing. The operator is recording the call, and the operator is going to sell that lead to someone, right? And what happens is, if you're on the phone, if that person is on the phone that's broken down for, usually it's 60, 90, or 120 seconds, you get paid. And these things can pay as little as $10, but they can pay up to like $800 or $900 depending on what niche you're in. So let's say if you're in the rehab niche, which is huge, alcohol, drug rehabilitation, those guys pay a ton. They paid $700 to $800 per lead. You don't have to close the deal. You don't have to sell the deal. You're not actually you're not part of any of the sales transaction part. All you are is you've created a little piece of real estate on the internet, and you've done your work and it's very, very easy to do, because what you're doing is you're focusing, and this training will show you, you're focusing on a very small area, and you're basically SEOing for a very small area, and that's quite easy to do to rank at the very, very top. or you spend very little on Bing ads, which it also shows you how to do, and you know, you can spend like $2 a day on Bing ads, and if you get something that pays you 15 or 20 or whatever, maybe you're spending $5 a day on Bing ads, you could do, you know, you get 4 or 5 of those a day. So you're making 100, 150, or maybe you're doing the rehab one and you're making $2,500, $3,000 a day. Those Bing ads will cost you very, very little, depending on where you are, what you're going to focus on, and you can do it anywhere in the country. So that's number 3. And what's cool is you can build that business, and then you can show other people how to do it, right? You could say, hey, I want to show you how to do this. And you could sell them a program. You could show them what you've done. Or you can say, hey, I'll set up websites for you, right? And I'll charge you a website if you want to do it and you don't want to set up the website. You just got to think, guys. You got to, like Gary Vaynerchuk, you just got to think. Just think, like, start thinking and hustling. The coronavirus is here for a while, I think. So we're going to have some ups and downs in the economy. And not that I'm not taking it serious, but it's something we should look at. And we do have to protect our families. And we don't want to, you know, we don't want to be one of those people that are living paycheck to paycheck, and that if in 2 weeks you don't get a paycheck, you're out on the street. So you need to have a plan B, and that's why I recommend everybody should be doing some sort of affiliate marketing. So I'm going to put those links down below. Check them out, guys. But number 1, get into an affiliate marketing program that sells information. It's never out of style. It's totally recession proof. People actually, as recessions go, you gain more because there's more people looking for different ways to make money, right? People are always looking for websites. There's new businesses coming online every single day, and they're going, I don't have a website. I don't know what to do. I don't know what's the first thing to do. And you can create these things very simply. You don't need to know code. You don't need to know design. You just need to know how to type a few different, you just need to type some names and phone numbers into a little screen, and boom, it makes a website for you. And 3, get into the pay-per-call business, guys. Even if you have a little asset that just sits there, maybe you have like 10 of them running, right? You have a locksmith, you have a plumber, you have a dentist, you know, you have a roofer, and they're just running. They're just running along, and boom, you get a call that day, boom, that day. You know, those things can add up. And it's just some, you know, just think what an extra $100 or $200 or $300 a day would do for your life, especially if you just got laid off. So hopefully that's helpful. Make sure you subscribe, share this video if you know someone that just got laid off. Share this video, let them know, or better yet, join, get your own affiliate link, and go show them how you can do it. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.